been cutting corn the last couple of days. I'd show you guys a little bit. Gotta drive this truck up to the field, and then that's our other truck. So I drive up to the field and get the combine warmed up. I gotta get my sidekick. Let's go. Gotta take my sidekick. Let's go. Are you ready? He's not too thrilled the air conditioner ain't working right now. There's some of it we've been picking, but moisture was around 17 on this field. I parked the combine there last night because that's where I had the truck, and the dew was getting the corn stalks just a little bit tough, so I just quit. But somebody's trying to beat me out of the truck. bin getting full yet? Yeah, go check out this slipping belt. Don't you jump. Sometimes I wonder if there's not a string attached to this dog and me. He just has to go everywhere I go, no matter what. Uh-oh. We're separating the belt right here. Causing that. We got a fire hazard going on here. Well, we're gonna have to figure this out, but the belt's shredding. Seen a belt rip the rope out of the side of it like that. It's almost like it was catching on that car key or something. Wrapping around stuff. Pooch loaded back up. He's ready to go. He's the best friend in the world. Let's see how much we can do before this belt gives out. Or somebody had already knocked it off, but I found where somebody wire welded on that end of that tab right there, that guide, and there was a piece of the MIG welder wire stuck on there, and it was lined right up with that slice in the belt. It was shaving the belt. And I've also noticed the tensioner is not all the way tightened up. The spring is supposed to be sucked down to the end of that tab, so it's not tight enough. You can fix about anything with a 9/16 wrench. Look at that awesome sunset. There ain't no sunsets like Kansas. You watching for rabbits? You see them? He likes to watch for the rabbits and the hawks, stuff like that. Running the snouts really close to the ground because there's some of them ears are like a foot off the ground on that short stuff. Getting dark back there in the timber, like a jungle back there. Can't wait to go shoot some bucks. Crawl up in the tree stand and wait for a big old buck to come by when he comes out here to eat with the does. Full bin lights, come on. Says full bin. Holy shnikes. I thought I could get this whole little patch on this bin. I'm gonna have to drive all the way back over to the truck that's parked over by that fence row out there. How the dust is just hanging in the air. Dang, I wanted to come over here and get this in one shot. Oh well. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I just deciding to try to show you guys a little bit of the style we farm. We do things a little bit different, I guess. We're a lot smaller. I tend to choose to use older model equipment because I really enjoy working on something and making it work just as good as it did when it was new. Like this combine's like a 98. Shoot it. It does a pretty darn good job. Windows need to be cleaned. Yeah, you guys enjoy this? Let me know. I don't do things the same as everybody else, but just trying to make some videos here to show you guys a little bit of what I would think would be more of a real kind of farming. I see a lot of these videos out there kind of portray things as a little bit different than what they really are. So, I don't know if my videos show you anything better, but anyway, this is how we do it. I think I'll go cut one more bin before these stalks and leaves and stuff get dew on them. Gets a little bit tough and doesn't want to slide in the header. At least there's a lot less stuff sliding in the header than it is with wheat or something. Corn header is kind of nice. About the only thing that goes in it is the cob. Pretty happy with the first year of trying this corn crop out. We just don't get near the rain in Kansas to do very good, but the last couple years we had pretty decent rain, so I decided to give it a try, and it wasn't quite as we didn't quite get quite as much moisture this year, but we did get a couple 3-inch rains, but it was kind of dry a long ways between. Hey, I can see. But not doing too bad for dry land corn. Ain't like you guys in Nebraska or Illinois or Iowa where you get tons of rain. Like a spot right here where it kind of dried out a little bit, quite a bit shorter. Guesstimating, no, never mind. We won't talk yields. We'll just say it's somewhere between 50 and 500. That'll keep you guessing. Want somebody knowing how much money we make. Can't have that. Man, that sky is blue against those yellow corn stalks. That's kind of funny. Anyways, I might show finishing this stuff up tomorrow. I don't know. See how it goes. Well, that's where we left off last night. Combine's still here. Nobody stole it and went hot rodding in it or nothing. What do you think, Roddy? You think we'll finish this field today? Somebody likes to sit on my lap. not be centered under the auger if I don't pay attention. Somewhere right there. A little bit of corn left in her since last night. Let's go. Do a little high altitude aerial photography here. Get this little field work down to a little sliver here. I've been working on trucks and we got ground we're chiseling at the same time, so finally get back over here to do this. But the belt seems to be holding up, so get some awesome weather here in October. Probably a little bit different wherever you're from, but sure is nice here in Kansas. Beans over there, it looked pretty good for double crop anyway. We had wheat in there this summer. Some good deer hunting right in there. Oh, and over there too. Let's fly over there and give you a little bit different perspective over there. Got another patch of ground about a mile north of here. If I can't point at the screen, I can't point it out to you, but it's up there in a wooded area straight north of me. Got conventional soybeans right here on the south of me. They've got a little weeds in them, but that's what the other crop is. Trying out some conventional beans, kind of sort of organic, but not. Beautiful day. I just forgot to film the last rows, but we're going into the sun with dirty windows anyway. But got a full bin. I can jump out and look. Another full bin. Alright, got the hole in the bin. No, just kidding. Just runs back down the auger. Another pretty evening, and we got a little patch of corn done. It's probably all I'll show you guys, but go see if the other patch is dry enough, I guess.